Okay, good. So these are the things we discussed. Yes, it is correct. Uh, from beginning up to the end, you have told everything. So we are in the chapter which is called propositional logic, right? Propositional logic, or you can say proposition. So this is the chapter. Okay. And the topic we are talking about, that is connectives. Connectives are actually the operators, or you can say gates. Okay. So in the connectives section, we discussed about negation and conjunction and disjunction. And today, let us talk about something else, some more connectives. Okay. And before that, we also discussed about De Morgan's law. This is another important thing. It may be necessary for our uh, truth table or something with logical expressions, right? So another topic name can be truth table. So what is truth table? Truth table is actually a table which is uh, presented with all the true false situation. All the true false situation. All the true false situation means, say one uh, proposition is A, another proposition is B, and you are writing A and B. So this is one part, and there is another part, say it is OR, then not C. So this is one logical expression. Okay, so what we call for this? This is one logical expression. So if you want to make a truth table for this expression, then what you actually do, you actually do the truth table with all possible uh, true false values, isn't it? All possible true false values. That means we actually write the first column like A, then B, then C. That is, we are using three variables here. I am doing this little quickly because you already know all these, so I do not need to explain in details. If you need me to explain, then I will do. Okay. If you need, then I will do. But I think you all know about the truth table for this expression, isn't it? Is it all right? Everyone knows about the truth table expressions.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in this case, I told you in the last class, in the discrete mathematics, in the propositional logic, you will actually use T and F. So what you will write? You will write T, 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 right? And then T, T, F. And then what you will write in the next line?
TFF.
T, F,
TF, T, sir.
T, F.
T, sir. T,
And
sir.
then T,
TF,
F.
FF.
F, F,
Yes. And then F,
and F.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
T, T,
T, T, T.
right?
Then
And then
F,
F,
F, F.
T,
F,
F, F, T, F.
Yes,
F,
sir.
And then F, F,
F, F.
T. And then F, F, F. These are the 8 combinations. These are the 8 combinations, right? These are the 8 combinations, and you can just write the 3 variable combinations first, then you can move to the next column, and the next column will come according to the expression. So the expression is this. So you write A and B, this is one part, and then you will write not C, that is another part, and then you will write A and B or not C. That is the whole thing which is given. So is this okay? You understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so your final expression will come, and then you will get the result. So in the truth table, you are putting all possible results. That means if A equal to T and B equal to T and C equal to T, then what will happen? Then A and B will be also T, and not C will be also F, and this will be T. Is this correct? Do you understand this? Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so you can think this is your circuit. Okay, this is a circuit, and there are three inputs. One input is A, one input is B, another input is C. So if you give three input as A, B, C, and something will be done here inside the circuit, one output result will come. Okay, and if you put here A equal to true and B equal to true and C equal to true, that means it is 1, it is 1, it is 1, and then the result will be also 1, isn't it? This is the situation. This is the first line. And if the second line you consider, that means A equal to true, B equal to true, C equal to false. What will happen in this case? So what will be A and B? True. And what is not C?
Sir.
False.
False.
Not true. True.
Not C.
True.
Not
True.
not C. So,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
and what is the last result?
is also true.
Also true. So in this case, if this is false, the last one, then the result is also again true. This is the situation, right? So you understand what will happen with the second case. Now you think what will happen in the third case. So it will be false, and this
False.
will be false,
False.
and the result will be
False.
False.
also false. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third line. Third line. So what will be the fourth line? False,
True, false.
And false.
last result.
True.
Is this correct? What I have written?
Yes, sir.
I'm not
Okay.
sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
It refers to
Not sure.
confusion.
Not sure.
Yes,
Confusion.
it's true.
Yeah. Confusion.
For
Confusion.
all
will not
gates, if anyone is true, then the answer will be true.
come. This A and B. This one is AND, and the other then bracket. Outside of the bracket, it is OR. Right. So
Yes,
what is
sir.
so what will happen for OR? OR will be true if one is true. Okay. So that is the matter of truth table of OR. Truth table of OR. Is that clear or not clear? Truth table of OR. Truth table of AND. Is it clear to everybody or not clear?
This is clear.
It's clear.
Okay, good. So then fine. So these are the truth table for and, for or. Everything should be very, very clear. Okay. Otherwise, it will be a problem here. So move to the next line. Move to the next line. So what will happen here for the next line?
Here will be
F, then
then
F,
false,
F, false.
and
and
Then
lastly
last
false.
last result for F. Okay. So what will be this
Okay,
case?
false.
Yes. What will be the next
false.
line?
True.
F.
If
Not
true,
false. True.
then
If
true.
true and false.
Yes, correct.
This false.
After the false,
False.
Okay, next one.
Again,
Next one. False, then
both are
False,
false.
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 false. Okay. The
This is
last
false.
one.
False
True, sir.
and true.
False
Both are true.
False
and true.
and true.
Yes. Is this okay? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this is the truth table. So I hope everyone is okay with the truth table. If you need more assistance, I will discuss. So maybe later. Let me just check whether you can handle this matter or not. If I see you are not familiar or not comfortable with the truth table thing, then I will give you more exercise and something to practice at home. So for today, let me just finish it here. This is one example only. There may be other truth table necessary for our reading here. Is that okay? Just I'm giving you one idea. That's it. Is this okay, or you need more practice or more session?
It's okay, maybe.
It's okay.
It should be okay because you already know the thing and you have done it many times. So this is it. Just have the concept of truth table, and you may need to use the truth table later for our expressions. So this is it. Let us move with the connectives. Let us move with the connectives again. So we have discussed some of the connectives already. One is not, one is and one is or. So
Or.
these are already done. So let us now discuss about exclusive disjunction, that is XOR. It is called exclusive disjunction. So exclusive disjunction, or you can say XOR. Okay, this is the next connective we will discuss today. So exclusive disjunction or XOR, you need to understand the truth table of XOR. What happens for A XOR B? What happens for A XOR B? So in the last class, actually, I told you that one example from Dhaka and Chittagong, that was the example of notice. And I told you, yes, in that case, born in someone, born in Dhaka and Chittagong, it is not possible. It is not possible. It is never ever possible, because someone will be born in one place only. Okay. So someone born in Dhaka and someone born in Chittagong, no, it's not possible. So that is about and. So we discussed no, this and is wrong. So we will use or. Okay. So now we are using or. Okay, good. So if you think about or, then what happens with that or? Then what happens with that or? The happening is or truth table says if you have true, both true, then what will happen? If you have one true, one false, then what will happen? You already know all this, right? Say I'm talking about this or truth table. So this value will be true because both are true, right? And this value will be also true because only one is true, and this value is also true because one value is true. Only the last one, it is false because it is coming from false or false. That is, if both are false, then the result will be false, otherwise true. This is or truth table, right? Everyone is okay with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My point is about both true. Now my point is about both true, about this result. That means both true means someone can be born in Dhaka and also born in Chittagong. So it is also true, it is also true, possible, or means it is possible. Okay, the total result will be the expression will be true. The person can apply for the scholarship if it is true and that is true. This and that both will be true. It is possible in the situation of or. It is possible in the situation of or. But if you think about XOR truth table, if you think about XOR position, then the both will not be allowed. So let us talk about XOR. So what is the XOR truth table? XOR truth table is there will be again combination of true and false, right? So if you think about this is true and another is false, another is true, another is false. So what will happen? Say true, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. So let us think about this XOR table. Who knows the XOR table results? You should know, everyone should know. So tell me what will be this result? Both are true, then what will be the result?
Sir, if both are true, it's false.
So it's false.
Both are true, it is false. It is correct, you are right. If it is both true, then the result will be false. And one true, one false, then
Then it's true. True.
result is true. One false, one true, it is true.
It's also true.
Both false,
Then it is
then
false.
false. So this is like or, but there is a difference with this corner. That means when both are true, then the output will be false. So both are true, output will be false. That means some person can born in Dhaka and he or she will not be considered as born in Chittagong. That means if it is true, then that will be false. Both true situation will give you false result. That means both true you are not taking. False result means the person will not be allowed to apply for the scholarship. So if one is true, other one will be false. If Dhaka is false, then Chittagong is true, possible, or Chittagong true, Dhaka will be false. So this is the situation. You understand the XOR situation?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
Can you
yeah,
again?
Sir.
yes, sure. So in the XOR, it is called exclusive. Exclusive means something is not taken, something is taken out. Okay, exclusion. Exclusion means bad dewa. So which one is excluded here? This
Both true.
corner. This is excluded here. Why excluded? Because if both are true, then we will not consider as true result for this case. Say for example, born in two places. If you see someone is claiming that he is from Dhaka and also from Chittagong, that means, I mean, this is true. This is true means what? He born in Dhaka. This is true means what? He was born in Chittagong. So if you see both are true, in that case, you will not consider this result as a true result. You will consider this result as a false result if you use not or, if you use XOR. If you use XOR. So what is the XOR symbol? XOR symbol is uh, circle and then plus sign. Okay, so plus sign within a circle. So the symbol is same. This is also same in Boolean logic and also same in propositional logic. So this is the symbol we will use here. Okay, so when you use XOR, then you will understand the person will not be born in two places together. So one may be true, other will be false. So this is the situation, and that is the exclusion of one result from OR result. That is the difference between XOR and only OR. So let us have some examples like the previous day. So what we said, A is today is Monday, and what we said, B is another one. It is raining. Okay, say C is another one, and I said rain cools down. Okay, so these are the three example propositions. Now, if I write something like A XOR B, then what we will write as the sentence? Say I am writing A XOR then B. So what will be the sentence for this?
A bar dot B plus A dot B bar.
No, that is the law or rule you are
Sorry.
using. But that is the law. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. But that is the
Sir,
rule or law.
today is not Monday and it is not raining.
What you will put in between?
True, true.
So
Sir,
yes, yes.
this is not Monday and it is raining, or it is not raining, today is Monday.
Hmm. Okay. So again, you are saying
Either maybe we can use either.
yes, either. Yes, you are right. Who said either?
Sir Adif.
Adif. Okay, Sheikh Adif. Okay. So it is correct. Actually, you will write with either or. So in this case, we will write either it is Monday or either today is Monday. Say, let me write today. Okay. Either today is Monday or it is raining. Okay. So we will write the expression like this. We will write the expression like this. For A XOR B. For A XOR B, we will write it like this. Is this okay? Do you understand me? Is this okay now? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let me give you another example. Then you will understand little clear. say I'm writing now B or not B, say I'm writing not B XOR C. So what will be the expression for this? Not B XOR C. Tell me what will be the expression for this sentence.
It is not raining
No,
or
either. You will start like either. Yes.
Either it is not raining
Not
or rain cools down.
Sir, either it is not rain.
Rain cools
or
down.
not rain cools down.
Either it is not raining or rain
Cools down.
cools down. Is this okay? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, good. So this is correct. Okay. Let me give you another expression, and it will be again little tricky. Say it is not, then it is A XOR C. Then what you will say?
Sir, it is not true that today either today is Monday or rain cools down.
It is correct. It is
yes,
correct.
sir.
It is correct. So you can write like it is not true that either it is Monday or rain cools down. This is correct. And you can also write for this neither. Okay, you can also write like neither today is Monday nor, okay, nor, neither nor you can apply, because it is actually not then XOR. So XOR is either or, not XOR means X nor. So you can write neither today is Monday nor rain cools down. That will be also correct. Neither nor
Will
is
A or C be turned into not A and not C?
no.
In
Tell me
bracket, the
again. What is that?
De-Morgan's law. So De-Morgan's law, will A and C also be not A and not C?
No. Then what
So
will be in between?
neither it is not Monday nor it is rain does not cool down, something like that.
Yeah, I understand what you are saying. So if it is you apply De Morgan's law, then what will be the middle thing? For the De Morgan's law, actually, and will change to or will change to end. But what about this one? Do you have
XOR will
anything?
change to XNOR
No, not like
or
that.
then XN.
No,
Then it
not
will
like
take,
that. No.
I don't
Another, okay.
understand.
Let me make it clear. This is not XOR. So if it is not XOR, you can think another operator which is called XNOR. Okay. So this is happening here in this case. This is happening here. Now one question may come, will it be same? Will it be same like A, not A, XOR, not C? What you will write for this expression? Will you write the same thing for this expression also?
Yes, sir.
No, not really. No, you will not write the same thing for this, because in this case XOR is not negated. XOR is not negation. In this case XOR is okay, A is not and C is not. And in this case XOR is negation situation. In this case, XOR is in negation situation. So not XOR we can consider. But in this case, it is not XOR. It is actually A is opposite, C is opposite, and XOR is just XOR. So you write, actually what you will write for this? You will write either today is not Monday or rain does not cool down. Try to think and try to understand. Do you understand this now? Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this one is not exactly the same thing like before. It is actually not A, not C, combined with XOR. So we are writing either today is not Monday or rain does not cool down. So this will be the expression for this one. And the expression neither nor can be used for this one. Is that okay? Up to this all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
let me
sir.
go back to another thing. Someone said A XOR B can be written like A bar. So in this case we will say not A and not A and. I'm not using dot. I'm writing and, not A and B. Okay, this is one part within a bracket, and then or means this one, or means plus, and A and not B. So this is the expression I am writing here in this chapter. But normally you can write what? You can write A bar dot B, then plus A dot B bar. You can write this also. Same thing. Actually, the same thing I am just writing in the traditional symbol for propositional logic. So do you understand this? This is also correct. It is correct. You already know this. Is that
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is there any special symbol for XOR for this course?
No, it is the symbol I have already written.
Okay, sir.
So this is the same symbol, not anything different. It is the same symbol. So this is XOR and the expression, and this is also correct. Okay, that is the algebraic law or rule. Okay, now the exclusive disjunction is okay with you, right? Exclusive disjunction, another connective is okay. Any more question? Any
No,
more
sir.
question on?
No, sir.
Good. So let me tell you, I have no time, but just 2 minutes এর মধ্যে আমি বলতেছি. Let me tell you another connective, and maybe I will discuss about that. It is called implication. Implication. Okay, I'm talking about another connective. Actually, I wanted to finish this also today, but ওই ট্রুথ টেবিল নিয়ে একটু কথা বলতে বলতে এটা সময়টা চলে গেছে. So this is another thing. It is called implication, and there is a symbol for implication. It is like this. Okay, and if you write like A implies B, the expression will be written like if today is Monday, then it is raining. Okay, so A implies B is this. A implies B is this. Okay, this is one example. Let me give you another example. Say I'm writing another example. Say it is not B implies not C. Okay, then what will be the sentence for this? The sentence for this should be if it is not raining. Yes, tell me, yes.
Then
If it is
Not
not
raining.
raining,
Monday.
then
cool down.
Today is not Monday.
Today is not
rain.
Monday.
No, I have written C.
Oh, okay, sir.
Oh,
Then rain
does
doesn't
not
cool
cool
down.
down.
Doesn't cools down.
Yeah. So this is not
Sir, it
B
is then or than.
or yeah. Tell me again, Kibulla.
We always then or than use, sir.
Oh no, then.
This
No.
implication we use then or than.
Then. Yeah, of course. It is then.
Okay, sir.
Yes. It is then. You're right. You are right. Okay. It is then. Every time then. THEN. Yes. So if it is not raining, then the rain does not cool down. So this will be the expression for not B implies not C. Now the question will come, what will be the truth table for this? This is very, very important. So I have no time today. Let me just finish it here. And I will discuss about the truth table and other examples for implication in the next class.